Hello friends, welcome to our channel Joint Account. In most of our videos on our channel, you must have seen that we talk about mutual funds, investment, gold bonds, corporate bonds, etc. and how you can make your money work for you and grow it. But for this, the prerequisite is that you need money for yourself. That is, first you have to have some initial amount of money.
So friends, most of us have questions like from your income, how much money should you save, how much money should you use for your necessities, etc. So for this, you need to know the basic 50-30-20 budget rule. So in today's video, we are going to see this rule in more detail.
So if you like our content and if you like to get notifications whenever we upload a new video, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification. If you have any other comments or queries, please use the comment section below.
So let's begin with today's video. If you have just started earning or if you are earning since a long time, all of us have the same problem, that we do not have enough money to save. And the reasons can be that this month I had some party, or this month I had to buy a new phone, so that's why I did not have enough money to save. But saving is very necessary, and for that we are going to look at the 50-30-20 rule in detail. So considering the income after tax, you should divide it into three parts. First part is 50% of your income, which should go to your basic necessities like your housing rent or your house expenses and your food and the health insurance and other essentials. The next 30% of your income should go to your needs. For example, you want to go for a movie, or you want to shop, or you want to buy a new gadget, etc. So these are categorized as your lifestyle expenses, which are not a part of your basic necessity, but they are the things that are good to have. And the next 20% of your income should be going to saving. For example, you're building an emergency fund or your retirement fund, etc. So this is how your income will be divided into 50%, 30% and 20%. So this is the basic thumb rule that you should always follow to save money.
Now most of us will say that after doing my essential expenses like my rent and everything and completing my lifestyle expenses, I'm hardly left with any kind of money. So how do I save 20% of my income? So the trick, friends, here is to first save the 20% of your income, then complete your essential needs with the 50%, and whatever is remaining, that should be used for your lifestyle expenses. So for example, suppose you are earning 25,000 rupees. So 12,500, the 50% is your essential needs part of your income. So this should go in all your rent, food expenses, travel expenses to office, etc. etc. Now the trick here is again saving the 5,000 rupees, which is the 20%. So that gets you to 7,500 rupees for your 30% expenses. And if at all, if you plan to save more, then you can again save from the 7,500. And if your basic expenses are more than 12,500, then you should utilize some portion of this 30% to complete your basic necessities. So friends, it is always very essential to first save and then spend your money. If you do it the other way around, then you will not be able to save any money. So now many of us who are staying with our parents or don't have so many expenses can obviously aspire to save more. Why are we suggesting this? Savings is a habit. Once you cultivate this habit, it will be very beneficial to you in the long term. In the long term, your goal should be to increase the percentage of savings as much as possible. So for example, someone earning 25 to 30,000 rupees per month obviously cannot save 60 to 70% of their income. But someone earning more than 1 to 1.5 lakh per month can obviously aspire to save at least 70 to 80% of their income, and that should be a long-term goal. So friends, I hope that you like this video, and a small and easy tip will help you to start saving if you have not yet started, and if you have already started saving, it can maybe help you plan your saving better.